Okay, other institutes are University of College of Engineering, Usmania University, Biomedical Engineering, next Civil Engineering, Computer Science, Electrical Engineering, Electricals and Electronics Engineering, Mechanical Engineering. This is the next college, University College of Engineering in Usmania University. Next, coming to the Mahatma Gandhi, we have already checked Vignana Jyoti Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. So it is having one of the specialities automobile engineering, civil engineering, computer science engineering, electrical and electronics, electrical and communication, electronics and instrumentation, information technology and mechanical engineering. Okay. Now next is Gokaraju Institute of Engineering Technology, Hyderabad. It is offering courses in civil engineering, computer science, electrical and electronics, electronics and communication, information technology and mechanical. And from Warangal, Kakatiya Institute of Kids. Okay, civil engineering, computer science engineering, electrical engineering and electronics and communication, electronics instrumentation, information technology. Okay, next is from the MLR Institute of Technology, Dundigal. It is also nearby Hyderabad only. It is famous for aerospace, that is aeronautical engineering, computer engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, information technology and mechanical. Then Vardhaman College of Engineering. Okay, it is having civil engineering, computer science, electrical and electronics, information technology and mechanical. Vasavi College of Engineering. This is having civil engineering, computer science, electrical and electronics, electronics and communication, information technology and mechanical. Next, CMR College of Engineering, civil engineering and computer science, electrical engineering and electronics and communication, mechanical. Then CMR Institute of Technology. CMR Engineering College is different. CMR Institute of Technology is different. Okay. It is having civil engineering, computer science, electronics and communication, mechanical engineering. Next, JNTU Manthani. JNTU from the Manthani. Okay. Civil engineering, computer science, electrical and electronics, mechanical and mining engineering. Next, Sultanpur JNTU. Computer science, electronics and communication and mechanical engineering. Next, aeronautical engineering, civil engineering, computer science engineering and electrical and electronics. And it is also having electronics and communication engineering, information technology and mechanical. GNDU, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, Ibrahimpatnam. Civil engineering, computer science engineering, electrical and electronics, electronics and communication, information technology and mechanical. Mallareddy College of Engineering College. Okay. It is also nearby Hyderabad, and one of the advantages aeronautical engineering and computer science, electrical and electronics, electronics and communication, information technology and mechanical engineering. Next is Murray Lakshman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management, Dundigal. Civil engineering, computer science engineering, electrical and electronics, electronics communication, IT and mechanical. KU College of Engineering and Technology, Warangal. Computer science, electrical and electronics, electronics and communication, IT. Then KU College of Engineering and Technology, Warangal. Okay, computer science, electrical, electronics and communication, information technology. I hope these are all the list of the colleges. Okay, so first is the best, and first one is JNTU Hyderabad, second BVR, next CBIT, CVR. All this we have discussed. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and get the flash news and original authenticated information required will be given to you on Whichchem YouTube channel. Be happy, stay healthy, stay home. Hi everyone, this video is going. After this video all your doubts will be clear. The information I am going to give you is such a vast information that almost all your doubts will be clear. If you want any further specification, anything you want, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, So specially I am going to cover the seats and courses, engineering colleges which are of which college is offering, what are the courses, what are the branches they are offering. Okay, so that it will be easy for you to understand and decide the choice filling. Okay, or it is called as a web options. Two terms used, web options or choice filling. Okay, and till now there is no official announcement about the result declared. Unnecessary, don't waste your time. Whenever you see a thumbnail, a MSET result declared, date came, don't waste your time. Only simply you should rely on the professionals which will give you the complete detailed information instead of wasting your time. Okay, so you are at Vijchem channel, and this is the channel which is mainly for the chemistry video lectures. Chemistry covered from the board level to intermediate level to MSET level, including IIT mains, JEE advanced, NEET and AFMC. Okay, so kindly subscribe this channel and share it to your friends. And additionally I am also giving how to become scientist from the ISRO. Okay, and how to join Navy, and what is the scholarship procedure for BITS, what about our triple IT Hyderabad, what is the pay scale, like that. Everything information you will be getting. Only thing you have to do, you have to subscribe. Okay, and I will be giving you some more information about the medical seats like NMC. Okay, new medical council is MCA is now dissolved. In place of that, new council is introduced. Because of that, fees are reduced. So, and number of seats in AIMS also increased. There is a separate video about the AIMS. What are where the AIMS are located, what are the seats, and this time there are some under construction AIMS, because of which number of seats will be increased. Okay, so how many seats are increased and what is the current number of seats and what is the fees and everything I have covered in that AIMS video. Kindly go through that. Okay, so my request is that don't follow a video just by the number of views. It might be for 1 year back, 5 months back, 3 months back, or only just to attractive thumbnails. Okay, go for the content, then you decide. And you may be comfortable in Telugu, but after you join as a doctor in MBBS course or engineering courses, definitely English is going to be implemented. So right from the course selection itself you can start in English. Okay, so I think all of you understand this. Let's start with the engineering colleges list with their branches they are offering. Okay, get set, ready, and don't forget to like this video and share, subscribe if you are new to this channel. Get set, get ready. Okay, the first and topmost engineering college, like it is the topmost in the both states, AP and Telangana, that is JNTUH, that is JNTU Hyderabad. Okay, and the courses they are offering, because choice filling, first importance is best institute, and in that best institute also whether your course is offered or not. If it is not offered, you should go for the next college. Okay, so the courses branches: chemical engineering, civil engineering, computer science. Okay, computer science is most of the people are, and ECE, electronic communication and engineering, mechanical engineering and metallurgical engineering. Okay, these are the engineering they are offering, and the topmost college is in both Telugu state. First you should try to fill up if your interest is there in any of these engineering branches. Okay, so like that, the college also, I am not only giving you college name, that I am also giving you the list, and you can ask about the what will be my rank, what will be, these are the my marks, these are my category. They are all just a blunders. Wait for result, then you will get sufficient time, and then go for the list of the previous year cut off for the each and every branch. that also I will provide you, but provided you should be subscribing and press bell icon, okay, so that I can come to know that people are interested about these many information, okay. So note down whether like this college branches I will be giving you, and after the result declare, don't waste your time asking your marks, category and engineering and all. Everything will be declared. After that you will have sufficient time. Please don't waste your time, okay. Note down this. So these are the things which are going to be permanent. So one by one I will be telling you which branch is there and which are the best colleges. Choice filling must be based upon this college, okay. Okay, next after the JNTU, better is B.V. Raju Institute of Technology located in Narsapur. Okay, this opening rank and closing rank you can go to the particular institute website and you can collect. That is not immediate requirement. First let the result come and your rank is decided, then you can go for the choice filling, okay. So whether if it is that in that category or not, then definitely it will be easy for you, okay. Before that you should improve your knowledge with the courses they are offering and reputation, okay. Biomedical engineering, chemical engineering, computer science, electrical and electronics, electronics and communication, and IT and mechanical engineering, okay. Please note down this, and all this first whatever my order of preference, that should be your order of preference, provided your branch is like biomedical is offered, it was not offered by JNTU. If you are interested in biomedical, which is a budding and most progressive branch, okay. So this, if you are interested, then your first choice must be B.V. Raju Institute with biomedical engineering, okay. Okay, next is CBIT, Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology. Now see, biomedical it was there, now it is biotechnology. So like that, if you are very interested in biotechnology, better is CBIT. If you are interested in chemical engineering, you can go for the JNTU. If not, then you can select this one. Computer science is common, ECE is common, electrical and electronics is common. See, this is the special course offered by industrial and production engineering, and IT, information technology, mechanical engineering common, civil engineering was not there. Like that, first you click on the, first you should understand the branch importance. Then that branch is available in which topmost college, that much is important. Kindly make a note of it, then it will be useful while choice filling or web counseling, okay. Okay, next CVR College of Engineering, Electronics and Instrumentation. This is the special course offered by this, which you won't find in any other colleges, okay. So best if you are going for CVR College, this is the special course. Like every institute offers one of the special course, Electronics and Instrumentation, Chemical Engineering, same, Civil Engineering, Computer Science, Electrical, ECE and Information Technology and Mechanical Engineering, okay. Okay, next is Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technology. It is also in Hyderabad. Like here, Mechatronics. This is a special course offered by the Mahatma Gandhi. Otherwise, chemical engineering, chemical engineering is not there. Okay, chemical engineering is not there. Instead of that, metallurgical and material engineering is there. Civil engineering, computer science, electrical and electronics, electronics and communication, information, mechanical and metallurgical and material. These are the best institutes, okay.